I think we're seeing similarities between now and some other kind of downturns, but also some reoccurring questions, which have always been, which is like the biggest question is, how much space do I take? Am I taking enough? Am I taking too much? And how to manage that growth. But I think the last 12 months have taught us more about company culture and employee engagement
Right.
and work-life balance, and improving that balance at the office, even if you can't work from home all the time. So you've at least committed to the fact that you need to commute in or you need to work in your office, but how can we make that more engaging for the employees so that they actually enjoy spending time at the office? Workplace has been, this buzzword that's been flying around for, the last few years.
Right.
And we've got a super talented, workplace strategy group in-house at Savills. And they've been really busy because that's the forefront of every organization right now. Yes, we have a lease. How do we bring our employees back? How do we keep them focused? How do we keep them safe? And let's understand what's important to them and try and implement that in our space going forward. Now's a great time to kind of effectuate that change.
Right.
Particularly if you're looking at addressing your real estate, whether it's growth or downsizing or a restructure of an existing obligation. But also use that time wisely to kind of, poll your employees and talk to the key stakeholders and talk to departmental heads and figure out, if you could start over, what would you want, or how would you do it differently, or do you need more conferencing, do you need more soft seating? So there's a lot of that conversation going on at the moment, in addition to, what's the financial burden that we have and how can we make smarter decisions about our real estate going forward.
Be sure to subscribe to our podcast at theadvancedgrp.com. That's theadvancedgrp.com.